You can put your mind and do whatever you want to do. Just tell yourself that you're capable too.
Man, I was fighting with this camera right now. This thing did not want to work. Well, I got it to work. My fix on my GoPro looks like it's successful. It's just been fighting me. I had to revert my software back to standard software. The aftermarket software is causing problems. What a day. Been fixing quads all day and I haven't even fucking left the house. Guys, I'm going to go fly with some new pilots. I have not met these guys before. I've talked to them online. And we're just going to go make a day of it. I'm going to go fly their spots and see what it's like. It's good to do. If you know other pilots and you haven't went and flown with them, you should get out and go fly with them. You might learn something from them, or you might be able to teach them something that they could really use. There's a lot of very helpful people out there. People very knowledgeable, and it's something to look forward to. You know, when you find other pilots to fly with, it's pretty dope, man.